Hi, today we are going to learn about how to create FB page or Facebook page. So why do we need to know or create Facebook page? So here are the reasons why we need to create Facebook page. So first, it allows you to connect to your community or build your community. So because you want to be establish yourself as an expert on that particular field. So for example, in the financial industry, or if you're doing some beauty products, so you want to create an FB page. And it's also branding. So you want to brand yourself that you are going to separate it from your personal profile. And also it's easy to see or to search on Facebook if you have this page, and also for sharing, so they can share quickly or you can share it to your friends and family from your Facebook page. And then also it's a good way of marketing, so to have more um, customers, so it's good marketing tool as well. And lastly, to separate from your personal profile, kasi gusto natin na may identity tayo sa personal natin, and then the other one is for the business side or kung ano man yun. So if it's for charity, for business, for groups, community, so religious or church, so ganon. So let's go to Facebook, and I'll show you where we can. So punta tayo sa personal Facebook natin. So there are two ways you can create your Facebook page. So for now, let's just go here in your Facebook and create the Facebook page. The other way is also from the business manager. So business Facebook, this one is the business.facebook.com. But for now, we're just going to use our personal Facebook. And then over here on top, when you see this icon, so just click on that one. And then you can, so we'll go for these pages. See more. So here on top, you can see create a page. So at the moment, you need to know what your title of your page is. So para mas mabilis na alam mo yung yung title ng page mo na gusto. But for now, we want to have a business page. So i-click natin yung business. So get started. So you need to have a name already of your business. So for example, I want to choose smart investment. So categories, so financial services. Also, you can add more. And then, depende din kung lalagyan mo ng address and phone number. So, it's optional. So, at the moment, we'll just continue. Oh, but they need the address. So, I'll just write. And then phone number is optional. So, we'll continue. So, it's better na mayroon din yung phone number nyo, but a lot of people will call you. So here, so if you have already picture, you're ready to upload, so pwedeng lagyan dyan. So at the moment, we'll just skip it. So if you have also your cover page, so you can add, or pwede din mamaya. So we can skip it at the moment. So, and then if you want an add online booking, because we are in the COVID now, so we can do online booking. So this will be your page. And then, yeah, you can just invite your friends to like your page. You can promote your page. So it's good na business yung yung kailangan mo i-create na page. Kasi pag business, at least kasi si Facebook ang may-ari. So if it's just for free, they can close your account anytime. So if it's a business one, so pwede siyang because you have to pay eventually if gusto mo mag-promote ng page mo. So that's why you have control over business page. So you can add your photo here, your cover photos, and then you can have write the post, upcoming events. So invite all your friends na gusto mong i-add dito sa page mo. So this is one way of having more of your community. So for those who have the same mindset na katulad mo, for example sa investments, so but it's good na ma-invite mo lahat, and then it's up to them to accept your invitation or not. So wala namang pilitan, but you can also promote by sharing your page, and then by boosting, and then we have other ways as well how to increase our customers. So that is for our next video. But for now, this is your page. So you can choose whatever add the events or yung mga post mo. So you can promote your page. And then other things you want to do is it's on top here. So settings, you can add buttons. You can put learn more instead of it will be here on your page. So there are a lot of things. So click mo lang yan, and then check whatever you need, kung anong gusto mo sa page mo na ilalagay. So that's it for now. Hope you learned something and hope you create about your page. So ito yung mga what is about all your page is all about. So add a description, yung phone number. As I said, maganda if may phone number na ilalagay, but marami ding tatawag sa'yo. And if you have a website, you need to put it here. So if wala ka pang website, or for example, may YouTube channel ka, so ilagay mo yung YouTube channel mo dyan. So as an IMG member, so yung, for example, if wala ka pang nagawa na website, so you can put here your link. So yung 10 million link, or yung IMG benefits na your link, and also your email address. So if may separate ka na email address, so pwede mo ding ilagay for your business or for ano. And then of course, your address. You can add here or not. So depende yan sa'yo para hindi sila pupunta sa bahay mo. So for example, if we are online, so no need for them to come and visit you at home. So ganon. Then just save the changes you made. And then you can click the hours if you want it always open. So pwede namang always open. Then save your changes. So here you can add, and if there's any prices for your products, so ilagay mo dyan. And then yung privacy link. So for example, if wala kang privacy link, so ilalagay mo yung sa, for example, sa IMG na privacy link. So it's good na may company ka na pinopromote, kasi you can copy their privacy policy. So ganun. But you need to follow the privacy policy din. Para we are on the GDPR na we comply on the GDPR. So dito may mga templates and tabs. So for example, yung template mo is very simple. So pwede mong i-change yung template, and then yung mga tabs, i-change mo, and then yung mga notification. So advanced messaging. So when they message you, sasabihin nila, can I contact you or ano. So pwede mong lalagyan directly na you can contact me on my WhatsApp and add your number, or you can put email me in this email address. So ganon, di ba? Ang bilis lang. So it's good that you will have a Facebook page. And then you can also choose preferred audiences. So it's really good na meron kang page. And then they can also connect you on the WhatsApp and also sa Instagram. So with your Facebook page, so pwede kang link sa Instagram mo, and then you can do the marketing as well on your Instagram. So ang galing ng Facebook page. So create your Facebook page now. As I said, it's good to have a Facebook page for your business, for your community, for church, for your charity. So create now, and hope you learn something. And don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Thank you.